How to turn on and turn off mobile hotspot on iOS 18. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another video from Create, Login and Delete. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on and turn off mobile hotspot on iOS 18. So now let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is just pull down your control panel, and after you do so, just tap on the connectivity box. After you do so, first you will need to turn on your cellular data. So after you've turned on your cellular data, you will notice that the personal hotspot has been now enabled. So now you can turn it on. So just tap on it and it will just turn on your personal hotspot. So that is basically it. The other way you can do this is by going to your settings, and after you are on your settings, you can just go to your cellular data, turn your cellular data on, and there you will see personal hotspot. You can go there and turn it on. So yeah, that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. That is all. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments and I'll respond to them. That is all for the video.